Hi, Gracie. Thank you for coming with me.
Hello, Mia. No problem. I like this store.
Me too. I need a new shirt. I need a shirt for a party.
A party? That is fun. What color do you want?
I am not sure. Oh, look at this shirt.
Which shirt, Mia?
This red shirt. I like this red shirt. It is very bright.
Yes, it is a nice red shirt. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I do. I will try on the red shirt. Okay, Gracie, look at me now. I am wearing the red shirt.
The color is good. I like the red color on you.
Thank you. I like the red color too, but the shirt is very big.
Yes, it is too big. The shirt is very long.
You are right. This red shirt is not good for me. It is too big.
Let's find another shirt.
Okay, look over there. I see a blue shirt.
Oh, yes. That blue shirt is a beautiful color. I like blue.
I like blue too. I will try on the blue shirt. Okay, I am back. I have the blue shirt on now. What do you think?
The blue color is very nice, Mia. It looks good.
Thank you. I like the color, but the shirt is very small.
Oh, yes, it does look small. Is it comfortable?
No, it is not comfortable. It is too small. I cannot move.
Okay. The blue shirt is not good. It is too small.
This is difficult. The red shirt is too big. The blue shirt is too small.
Don't worry, Mia. We can find a shirt. Wait a minute. What about this one?
Which one, Gracie?
This green shirt. I like this green shirt. The color is very pretty.
A green shirt? I am not sure. I do not wear green often.
Please try it on. It is a very nice color. A happy green color.
A happy green? Okay, I will try the green shirt. Gracie, look! I am wearing the green shirt.
Wow, Mia! The green shirt looks great.
I love it! It is not too big.
And it is not too small.
It is perfect. The size is perfect.
And the color is perfect for you. It really is a happy green.
You are right. I love this green shirt. Thank you for finding it, Gracie.
You look wonderful. Are you going to buy the green shirt for the party?
Yes, I will buy this shirt. I am ready for the party now.
That is great. Let's go and pay for your new shirt.
Okay, I am so happy. I have a new, perfect green shirt.